right. So we are in U75, which is a suite room. So I'll start the tour. So first, to the left when you walk in, there is a closet where you hang your clothes and a nice mirror. Hello everyone. They have robes, a safe, your beach towels, and some more stuff. A lot of shelf space. Then when you come in and you go to your right, you have your bathroom. So a pretty standard bathroom. Some space here. Another mirror, another focal mirror. You have your shower and jacuzzi tub as well. And some towels. Hello. And I like that when you get out the bathroom, you have another mirror right there. So it's always good to do like a second check, like, okay, I look okay. All right, cool. So next you come into the room, have some more space. You have a desk slash vanity area, some drawers if you want to put stuff in. Your TV with Shaq on there. Then in our other area, we have our 2 twin beds, which are pretty comfortable. We also have a pull-out sofa, and this room actually came with bunk beds. We don't need them, but if you do have more people and you want to use bunk beds, that is an option. And you have another sitting area. My beautiful mother over there chilling. So, and not only is just extra space, so if you need to put some luggage here or something, you have that as well. Our luggage has not come yet. And then out here we have our balcony. Currently, like, our curtains are there, but let's take a step out. All right, so here's the balcony. So we are on Paradise. Paradise is a smaller ship, but there's 3 chairs, I guess, because there's supposed to be more room. So we have 3 chairs, and then we are sailing out of Tampa. Not much of a view on this side, but maybe on the other side. So I'll show what it looks like from a different point of view. But this is where we're at. And that concludes the tour.